pungent mustard seeds, eye-popping chili flakes. That's the sizzle that we're looking for. Earthy cumin. Don't worry, I've got plenty more garlic to ward away those vampires. Curry pumpkin needs. Seriously, guys, canned pumpkin rocks. Soup time. Nothing better than a pumpkin soup.
And coconut milk will make it rich and creamy.
In Ireland, on All Hallows Eve, they make a sweet pumpkin bread called bambara. It's ghoulishly delicious.
This simple spice cake is dressed up with cinnamon, chai tea, and raisins.
Plus this gives you this. While that was baking, I was busy conjuring up spells for my future husband. Pumpkin soup, pumpkin bread. It's so good I'm out of my head. It's time for a costume change. And a little more soup. Up now, black cod with autumn leaves. No, not real leaves. These. If you care it for me to explain, I won't leave you hanging. Hey, where'd that come from? Salting these before you bake them helps to lock in that color. Salted and rinsed, they look like this, nice and soft. Then into the oven to dry out, and you've got this. Aren't they beautiful? It's like a mango in a hedgehog costume. You know what else reminds me of Halloween? Ghost peppers! The seeds are actually devilishly dangerous. They're one of the hottest peppers in the world. Lime zest. Sweet and devilishly spicy. Yes, you want it to be screaming hot. Ah! And the trick is not to move the fish around in the pan until it's ready to flip.
Basil time.
Speaking of autumn leaves, shall we? Nothing scary about this dish. The fish is so buttery, that spicy sweet sauce and those leaves taste just as good as they look. Oh, beef short rib laced with classic Haitian flavors. First step, Haitian Epis. It's an all-purpose marinade slash sauce slash salsa packed with herbs, spices, and aromatics. You've got to try this. Clove, allspice, complex and spicy, also just like me. Maggi, it's like an amped up soy sauce, but it's from Switzerland. Papa Ghede had the ability to know what was happening in the world of the living and the dead. All I know is that this is gonna taste so good. Woo! Braising needs liquid, so I'm adding both beef and veal stock. I've only got time for a trick or a treat. Which one would you do? So tender. Looking for a glossy sauce? Here's my trick. Cornstarch slurry. Roasted acorn squash. You can use any vegetable you like, but for me, this is perfectly in season. this has got to be the most original short rib I have ever tasted. 3 courses down and 1 to go. Next up, grown-up candy, Halloween style. Boo! I scared ya. Enough with the tricks. Are you ready for a treat? Check out my grown-up bag of candies, stuffed profiteroles. This is just mascarpone, icing sugar, and candies. Pâte à choux. Gotta work quickly, so it's best to have all the ingredients laid out for when you start. Smells divine. Leave space between the It's like angels singing in my mouth.